Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store of the series Do It Yourself. And this is a continuation of my previous video where we show the custom indicator TIS Swing Pro. And the idea is, how can I automate the 50 retracement using this indicator and markers? For example, I want a long signal here, a short signal here, and then optional, maybe I want only one long, one short, or two longs, two short, etc. But first of all, how can I detect a bounce over this signal, over this 50 line? This line is the 50% retracement. So what we can do is to find a pattern using these bars, the Unirenko bars. We can see that when we really have a bounce, like here, we have a bar with the color in agreement, with the close over the entry, and also 2 bars ago, not 1 bar ago, not 1 bar ago, 2 bars ago, because 1 bar ago usually it is the bar that is coming down, so we need 2 bars for the reversal. So 2 bars ago we have a space here, okay? So let's see how we can do. First of all, we need to copy the line that we are going to use. For that we use markers copy. We assign a name, entry line. This is a variable name. And then on input series, we select the indicator and the plot that we want to copy. This indicator is the TIS Swing Pro. The parameters of the indicator are visible here. 786 and true, 1 true. I guess it is the default. But the most important is which is the line I want to copy. And I want to copy the 50. Okay. Apply. And no, we have a difference. So let's take a look at the parameters. We have a strength to the left of 100, strength to the right of 1. So we need to use the same parameters. 101. Okay, apply, and now we can see that the dots from the indicator copy are in the same place than the indicator Swing Pro. Now we need a logic, and the logic is what we were commenting before. Maybe we need 2 bars. This is the bar with the signal, okay? And the bar with the signal has a lower or equal to the entry, a close greater than the entry, and if we go 1, 2, 3 bars ago, the low is greater than the entry. So let's place that into a markers logic, and this is for a long. Marker logic, and don't forget that what we copied has the name entry line. So in my logic, I am going to use entry line. And also close, open, high, low. So the close of the current bar is greater than the entry line on the current bar. And also the low of the current bar is less or equal the entry line on the current bar. And also 1 bar ago, 2 bars ago, 3 bars ago, the low 3 bars ago is greater, not even touching, so not greater or equal, greater than entry line on the current bar, or 3 bars ago it is the same because there's no change. So let's use current bar. When this is true, we paint the background in color green, okay, and we get a signal like this. This should be also at all places where we have that pattern, like for example here. This is the first 50 retracement, then we have another one and another one. This is not considered a pullback because the pattern is not correct. I mean, the low is less or equal, the close is greater, but 2 bars ago there's no signal. If we want to include more bars, then this could also be a signal. We only need to change that instead of 3, 4 bars ago. And then this should be also a signal. But for this example, let's use only 3. Okay? Now, let's do the same for the shorts. Because for the shorts, we can do a copy and paste. But first of all, let me change the color of the histogram. The histogram is what is showing here. Let's set it green. And also we can create a fast signal to enter the market with markers. Okay, so now we select, right click and copy, and select, click in any place, right click and paste, and now we have a duplicate. Because now we want the short signals. For the short signals, the close is less than the entry line, and the low, no, the high is greater or equal the entry line, and the low, we replace this by high, 3 bars ago, is less than the entry line. We change the color by red, this color, no, of the visual signal, and also the color of the histogram here, also red. And finally, we change the name of the fast signal to go short. Okay? And now we have a short, a long. Here we have several shorts. Another 2 times. As I was commenting, this setup works better if you trade only the first one. Okay? But anyway, we have so many options to trade this format that let me explain how to finish the automation. No? We can place all in the same panel, and now we only need to add markers. So we add Markers Pro. I like using the new floating menu, and also with big letters. Let's use a font of 15, like this. So we can now trade here. Now we need only an ATM, a valid ATM, so we find our preferred ATM from NinjaTrader, any one from this, click here, and then enable the longs, enable the shorts, and set this to trade on automatic. By the way, if you want to trade in semi-automatic mode, that means currently I am only interested in a short. So to get a short, we need the market to go to the other side and then bounce over this line, but from the other side. In that case, I set this to semi-automatic and enable only the shorts. So nothing happens until the market reverses and then bounces again over the 50 retracement. Anyway, if you are interested in more setups like this, you can find me on the chat room that we have on Discord. The access is free and the description to log in are in the description of this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.